What's up, people? I'm tired as futon, but for the last hour I've been working on an idea I had last night. I was changing the Zen pins on my ODOG or OGOD, and which was the dark green arrow, like the forest green, with black G10 handles, satin blade, and I said, I wonder what the Jade handles would look like on the dark green forest handles, arrowed handles. And then I wondered, what would those cyberpunk, weird silverish looking handles look like with the black G10. So let's check that out. Look nice. I think it looks pretty cool. I sanded these up a little bit. Got a little chalky looking. I don't know if you can see that, but in any case, got a little chalky looking. And I was using a little bit of sandpaper here to see if I can make this a little bit more indented. Kind of like a 51 or something like that. But it sounds good. Sweet. So we got that going on. And now for I guess would be my new pride and joy. I won't be the first, won't be the last to make shit the way they want to. Especially when things come in different colors and whatnot. So check this out. Yeah, my handles are a little beat up. What? I think it looks hot. And I did notice that the old blades were a little bit more shiny, and the new blades are a little more industrial looking, I guess. So it kind of went well with this. So yeah. So I'm looking out here. My Ninja Jaden for real.